Attention, WhatsApp users! Some really cool new features have just been added to the app. Let's start with the first one. You can now see your recent search history. Simply tap the search button, and you will instantly see a list of the people and groups you have searched for recently. This makes it easier to quickly go back to previous chats without typing again. This is especially helpful for users who frequently search for the same chats. If you want to delete your recent search history, it's super easy. Just tap on the Clear All button, then tap Clear again to confirm. That's it. Your entire search history will be removed instantly. Alright, that's the first feature done. Now let's check out the next feature. A new feature is coming that makes creating stickers easier than ever. All you have to do is open any image, long press on it, and it will instantly turn into a sticker. You will then see options like Create Sticker and Copy Sticker, giving you full control to copy the sticker as it is, or customize it by editing, or save it to your favorites for later use, or send it directly to anyone. Now let's check out the third feature. There's a new and exciting way to create stickers. Instead of using photos or videos, you can now use AI to create stickers. You will see a new Use AI option. Just tap on it and type a description of the sticker you want, and WhatsApp will instantly generate 4 options for you. You can then choose the best one and use it right away in your conversations. Now, let's check out the fourth feature. A new feature is coming to Groups. Inside the group settings, you will soon see a new option called Create a Similar Group. Simply tap on it to instantly create a new group with the same members. You'll also have full control to add or remove members before creating it. This means you don't have to manually add everyone again, saving you time and effort. Alright, last but not least, let's check out the final feature. You can now control how the notification numbers disappear from your WhatsApp app icon. Just go to the notification settings where you will see a new option called App Icon Badge. Tap on it and select your option, clear notifications one by one as you check them, or clear everything automatically when you open the app. Finally, no more annoying numbers on your icon.